So my name is Anushka Krishna. My native is in Darbhanga, Bihar, and I studied BTech in Electronics and Communication from Muzaffarpur, MIT Muzaffarpur. Uh, we were the batch of 2019 to 2023. So in mid itself, the COVID came. So I joined this degree in 2021, which was, I would say, I joined just because I was free during the COVID, as we have online classes, and this degree also involved online classes, and we all just joined this degree with a greed of getting a degree from IIT. I started my BTech in Bihar itself, MIT Muzaffarpur, in 2019, and in 2021 Jan I joined this degree. So yeah, I was doing 2 years this degree and the BTech together. Right now, I'm a BNB designer at Alstom Transport. Uh, I am working primarily on Kubernetes microservices and all. I am also, I mean, due to this degree, I got a good hands-on on Python and all, language modeling also. So I'm just working for the automation part also alongside the regular testing or validation at Alstom. Then, so this degree, it came in newspaper at our places, and my father just read out. So he told us to give the entrance. So by us, I mean I and my sister both joined this degree together. So we completed also it together. So she is my elder sister. So we both gave the entrance, and thereafter we joined it. Uh, my She was doing a BSc in chemistry. I was doing a BTech, so I had a more intensive degree as a side degree. Alongside this degrees, I started with four courses in foundation, but I did not continue that in a diploma because that was not possible at all if we want to read all the things and get a good knowledge. Uh, Structure of the program is perfect except for a few newly launched courses, but I think with time that they will also get improved. And the best part is we are getting support from the course instructors. uh, 10 on 10, I mean, because in DBMS and PDS, I remember I would just lack in few concepts due to, I would just miss parts in lecture, but in live sessions they would get covered in a very naive way. They would explain using examples, which was, I would say, perfect. This course, there also our peers used to explain the solution line by line. People would write the solutions of everything. GChat spaces. We have got enough platform to discuss whatever we want. If we want to use Discourse, we can go there. We want to use GChat, we can go there. Informally, we have created the WhatsApp groups also. Presently, my favorite course is just DLT because I just enjoyed that course. Yes, it was too fast, but the thing is, it was meant to be. It was told earlier only that design was like that, and it was, I mean, consisting of three different courses as a practical part. So yeah, I enjoyed that course. After this degree, right now I am just applying for the MTech of the same. I just got upgraded to the MTech. Besides, I'm planning to do a PhD in the data science itself. It's just plan. We need to have some more things. I'm applying a few places, and if I get selected, I go with the PhD, and just that's the plan.